In a big forest, there lived a strong elephant who walked with pride, relying too much on its strength. He often troubled small creatures and scared them just for fun. One day, he saw a line of ants carrying food and laughed, "Haha! Look at these tiny things." A brave little ant got angry and decided, "I'll teach this elephant a lesson." That night, the ants quietly crawled into the elephant's trunk while it slept. The elephant screamed in pain, shaking its head and running wildly. The next day, it said to the ants, "I'm really sorry. I'll never hurt anyone again." From that day, the elephant became a kind friend to all. Kids, what do we learn? No one is too small or too big to deserve respect. With unity and intelligence, even the tiny can teach the mighty. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more on Wonder Moral TV.